Morning, Steve. Vincent Parker here at Tameron Honda in Hoover. I spoke with you earlier on the phone. I know you live in Arizona, but I'll be your True Car Auto Buying representative just in case you were still looking for this beautiful CRV right here. Now, these vehicles come with some great options on them, great features like your Honda Sensing package, which is your lane keep assist, lane departure mitigation, forward collision braking, and adaptive cruise control. Also, depending on which trim level you get these nice, beautiful alloy wheels here. You also have a nice screen in the front of the vehicle as well. Nice entertainment system, great gas mileage, Bluetooth, multi-angle backup camera. The list goes on and on. If you will, reach back out to me at 205-821-7846 so we can set up a VIP appointment with you. You can come in and test drive this vehicle and see it in person. And if there's one thing I can guarantee you, Steve, when you get here to Tameron, you're going to love the way you're treated.